Hi, I'm Danny Searing with FloodGate Medical, and I want to welcome you to another edition of our Buzz Report. This week, we focus on the top technology that we saw at this year's HiMSS conference in Las Vegas, Nevada. Although attendance was lighter than previous years for obvious reasons, there was absolutely no shortage of energy and excitement around all the innovation that the companies had to display. It's no secret that COVID-19 has poured gas on an already large flame that is the healthcare IT space. And with that, there are three major themes that we took away and wanted to highlight for you following the show. First is telemedicine. It should come as no surprise that a leading theme this year was companies looking to take advantage of positive reimbursement changes, the push towards value-based care, and a trend to effectively monitor patients outside the hospital. First in this category is Tytocare. We featured them at the last HiMSS back in 2019, and boy, have they been making strides since then. For years, they've been putting health in the hands of consumers, and now they're taking it a step further to put more resources towards their software platform and making it truly device agnostic. Their BYOD, Bring Your Own Device model, is their next step to take care of more patients and cover more disease states. Next in telemedicine is VSee. VSee is an all-in-one HIPAA-compliant platform that delivers a smooth and simple telehealth experience. Their software is device agnostic and has an open API that makes for easy and secure integration. In fact, VSee was selected by NASA to be their official video conferencing platform aboard the International Space Station. With their secure platform, it allows astronauts to do telemedicine video conferencing, have family chats, and more, all from space. Wow. Rounding out the telemedicine category is Zipnosis. They're helping health systems leverage the transition to virtual care and to drive patient acquisition and loyalty, to in turn do what every clinic loves, which is increase their revenue. Using both asynchronous and synchronous options, their goal is to be the lowest friction telehealth solution for both patients and providers. Finally, people might need more than 2D interaction, and Portal provided a unique solution, maybe just for a dance party. The next overarching theme we saw was patient engagement. Companies continue to create new ways to interact with their patients throughout their entire healthcare journey to improve their experience, but also the care they receive. First up is Bravado Health. Bravado's Viva platform is the ultimate tool that simplifies the complex surgical journey for patients, surgeons, and case managers. Viva automates communication while encouraging best practices for both pre-op preparedness and post-op recovery. It serves as an assistant for the provider and a coach for the patient, with the sole focus on delivering the best possible results. Next in patient engagement is Strive MedTech. Strive's smart technology includes wearable sensors that both remotely monitor patients as well as track their exercises both pre- and post-operatively. Their sensors transfer live physiological data to multiple platforms where all members of the care journey can get instant and continuous feedback of the patient. Last in this category is HatchMed. When most people think of engaging patients, they think of helping them before and after they're in the hospital. HatchMed has been focusing on taking care of patients while they're in the hospital. Their Concierge app is for inpatient engagement and reduces alarm fatigue for the facility by triaging patient requests to the right member of the care team. This iOS app integrates seamlessly with hospitals and allows nurses to focus on clinical tasks instead of doing unnecessarily hunting and fetching for patients. The final theme was companies simply focusing on clinical safety. Our Rzero is looking to take their expertise in the UV disinfection space, where they've excelled in other industries, and bring it into healthcare. Coming out of a pandemic, clean air and clean surfaces are going to continue to be important to all care facilities. Their flagship product, ARC, is the most powerful UVC light disinfection device that destroys over 99.99% of pathogens. Not only is it effective, but with only 4 buttons, the device is easier to work than a microwave, and even easier to transport around the hospital when needed. Lastly is Inspiren. They're improving bedside shift reports and hourly rounding using remote surveillance. With over $50 billion spent every year as a result of patient falls in the US, there is certainly a need for a product to help mitigate that. With research, the team at Inspiren noticed that hourly rounding and bedside reporting have proven to reduce those risks and the costs associated with them. Their product, Augie, is an all-in-one solution to track patient movement in the room, clinician rounding times, nurse call response times, and more. Does this all while integrating back into their platform that gamifies it for the entire clinical staff. I hope you enjoyed a little taste of the buzz from this year's HiMSS. Stay tuned for our next installment of the Buzz Report. Thanks.